Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to scan documents with your iPhone or iPad. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So firstly, we can actually do this without downloading any apps, which is super good. Just go and open up the Notes app on your phone, like this. Then all you want to do is go and create a new note at the bottom by clicking on the Create Note button. Make sure you've got your keyboard open. If you haven't, just click and it will go and open up. We then need to go and click on the camera icon just here, and then we can go click on Scan Documents. Now I'm just going to hide my camera, as otherwise it starts scanning because we've actually got the mode set to auto in the top right. So if you want, you can change that to manual. All you need to do is line up the document so it's far above it, and it will then go and sort of scan it for you. Then like that, it will find the edges and will then go and take the scan. If you've got multiple documents, just cover up the camera temporarily while I move the page. Then what you will do is go and scan it again, and it will do sort of calculates it pretty well. You've now scanned. If you find that it's auto-scanning too much, then you can change it to manual in the top right. You can also preview in the bottom left as well, and you can go make edits too. Let's say you wanted to edit this document here. You go and press on the crop button in the bottom left. You have got some other tools here as well, but I'll just crop it for now. Then it will open up the original photo, and you can then align the corners to make it perfect. Once you're happy with it, press on Done in the bottom right, like that. Then you can press on Done in the top left as well. Now your camera will open again so you can take more, but if you're finished, click on Save in the bottom right. It will take a moment to generate it. There it is. Click on the arrow just here. And then you can have a few options. You can look at it, but ultimately you probably want to share it in an email. Click on Share. You can scroll down, put it in an email, or do whatever you want with it. So, that's basically how you can scan documents with your iPhone or iPad. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.